Today I'm sharing what I think will be the top 6 winners of the next bull run in terms of AI, with hundreds of projects to choose from. I found the highest quality projects that have massive upside potential. If you want to know what I'm buying now for the next bull cycle, then keep watching. Welcome back, Crypto Hero here, and today I'm going to share with you 6 AI coins that I am personally invested in or looking to invest in the upcoming months. I'll also go into every coin's chart and see the buy zones where the risk-reward ratio is the highest, so in case you decide to buy, the risk of losing money would be minimal. Also, I'll share my personal price prediction for every coin and my strategy regarding all these coins. By the way, this video should be your first step of your own research of every coin. I don't suggest you go straight and put your money into the coins that I'll be talking about. You should really do more research after you watch the video and understand what you're actually investing in. The first AI coin that's on my list is the Graph, or GRT, also called the Google of blockchains, and it's already number 1 on CoinMarketCap in the AI niche. The coin that's heavily backed by VCS and was really popular when it came out, and it should be because it's all about, AI and big data. Big data which is fundamental in such a space. The reason I think Graph is a really great investment for the next bull cycle is because of the data they have. Data is where money is. The same thing happened with Facebook as a comparison, where people were texting each other and the people behind Facebook knew what every person was interested in, what they're looking at, and what they're buying, and so on. Saying this because it means Facebook had millions and millions of data points, and Mark realized that his money is the data they can provide from the people who use Facebook. What the data says can be used effectively for advertising, and of course later to make money off the people who use Facebook. The context of data within crypto is really profitable, as there are some unexplored areas at the moment, and later when someone has the idea to build something that hasn't been done before, the data is already there and can be used to make more money. Looking at the chart on a higher time frame, weekly more exactly, we can see the 23 cents resistance zone, where the price has dropped already by 52%. The support zone is 9 cents, and of course, whatever's under this resistance is an opportunity to buy, of course using DCA. Best risk-reward ratio buy would be for sure at the 3-cent support if we ever get back the chance to accumulate there. But what I usually recommend is to DCA and not wait for the 3-cent zone, as you might get left behind with no GRT accumulated at a good price. Next project that is legit a 100-fold gem is Atlas Navi, with its Navi coin, a drive-to-earn app that the European Grant Union have invested $1.6 million in to develop the AI infrastructure. The app is in competition with Waze and Google Maps, having the same features but adding to the basic navigation app the feature that you get paid while driving your car. Also seeing where your friends are on the map while you're using the app. Getting paid while driving involves car NFTs that are buyable in the app, which means the project has partnerships with car companies. The ones that are already announced are Alfa Romeo, Fiat, and Abarth. And as you can see, here's the map where more partnerships will be released. So imagine BMW, Lamborghini, Ferrari between them. Personally, I think the project has a really big potential in the bull cycle because what STEPN with its GMT coin did in the last bull cycle was ridiculously impressive. Lots of people became millionaires for sure, the ones who bought before the hype, like the stage Atlas Navi is in now. GMT had a $2.3 billion market cap back then at the top, and imagine at least 1% to be the market cap of Atlas Navi. If we look from this perspective, 100-fold is nothing. Moreover, they've built an app called Atlas Market where you can buy gas for your car at a 10% discount. At the moment, they're partnered with OMV and Teriak Auto, looking to expand with more gas stations all around the world. Really impressive real-life benefits and use. You can buy the coin from Kucoin, and personally I'm buying the coin for small percentages of my money every month using the DCA strategy, as the project is in a buy zone. The third project that I'm looking closely at is SingularityNET, or AGIX, because this one is one of the few AI projects that have a mission statement entirely focused on combining the power of blockchain and AI. The project's overall goal is to make it possible for consumers to access AI technology or take part in its development. The main product they're offering today for users is an open marketplace for anyone to get access to AI services, and for sure you can see the difference of quality in the AI services offered on this platform in comparison with its competitors. The AI services on SingularityNET are able to help you with language recognition, generate images via text, and apply certain filters to photos. I really think the project has a lot of space to develop, and taking into account that the ecosystem of AI crypto projects that are using its AI services is around the number of 7, we can say that the future is bright. Taking a look at the price chart, we can see that we are in a buy zone. The next resistance is around the price of 36 cents, and the following one is around 63 cents. We can see that the price was in an accumulation zone some time ago between the 3 and 6 cents and had a really strong pump. If we ever get again to that zone, for sure it would be a great buy where the risk-reward ratio will be phenomenal. To be honest, we might see it, depending on Bitcoin, but take into consideration to accumulate some in the meantime so you don't get left behind if we don't get back to that accumulation zone. The next coin in the AI niche I've bought a lot in the last period is Render. The coin is so damn fire. The team did everything perfect, and they set up a system that everyone wants to use for pretty damn good reasons. The buybacks that they've done have been insanely profitable, and you really need to give credit to the team because what they're producing is something else, something phenomenal. Render Token is a distributed GPU rendering network, so it's built on top of Ethereum blockchain. The whole premise is to connect artists and studios that are in need of GPU power with the mining partners that want to rent out their GPU capabilities. And a fun fact is that the concept was conceived in 2009 by CEO Jules Urbach. Payments are stored in escrow during the rendering process, and once the rendering is confirmed, the payments are released out of escrow. The whole system is really powerful. Incredible work done by the people behind the project. Outstanding work. The rendering stuff will be in so much demand in the future, and we've already seen a big increase in the last 20 years. For the entertainment industry, these kinds of features are vital. Time to go to the chart price and see where my next accumulation zones or buy zones are, zones where the risk-reward ratio is best. We can see that the price is between the $1.50, $1.60 resistance zone and the $1.10 support. You can buy at this price as well, and if we get to the support, to buy more. Another support is 90 cents. In order for the price to increase a lot, the resistance between $2 and $2.20, the price needs to close at least a day over the zone to see some big gains for Render. DCA in all these zones is the best strategy, and as price prediction, I think Render will do at least 20 to 25-fold in the bull market. I actually consider this a safe bet. The fifth coin that raised my interest is FetchAI, a platform that offers resources and frameworks to create AI-based digital economy. So what does it mean? Basically, the Fetch network has built a shared machine learning model called CoLearn that anyone on the network can use by bringing their own unique datasets. The project is an AI lab that's building an open, permissionless, decentralized machine learning network with the crypto economy. So the premise is that Fetch democratizes access to AI tech with their permissionless network, so anyone can connect to it and access secure datasets by using autonomous AI to execute tasks that leverage its global network of data. The project seems to be good, even if I think some of the apps they've released are a bit vague. Regarding price prediction, for sure we'll see more innovations in the AI industry with ChatGPT. And we'll start seeing inevitably stories coming out in the mainstream media about how ChatGPT is changing the world and any other wonderful news they can throw out to people. So a pump in the next bull cycle for sure will come, and I'd say 30-fold will be nothing for Fetch. Pretty sure it'll happen, or it will be close around that 100%. If we look on the FetchAI chart, we can see that the best buy zone near the actual price is the support from 21 cents, where there is also a fair value gap. Moreover, we can see below the support another buy zone, which in my opinion will be a gold mine if we get to them. Talking about the support zone from 11 cents, then the support from 6 cents, and the last one, the support from 3 cents. Some strong resistances are around the 48 cents price, 60 cents resistance, and the 70 cents resistance. Personally, I would start DCA in this zone, but you may expect some more great buy zones in the following months, depending on Bitcoin. My last pick for the AI coins is Ocean Protocol. Now, the coin is a crypto that is reasonably backed and hasn't really dropped off hugely from its all-time high. I think this is the kind of crypto that's going to set an all-time high again easily in the next bull cycle, and I won't be surprised if this happens. The coin is backed by DCG Portfolio and Fabric Ventures Portfolio. Now, Ocean is a blockchain-based ecosystem that allows individuals and businesses to easily unlock the value of their data and monetize it through the use of ERC20-based data tokens. Now, I like Ocean Protocol. I think there's a real solid concept because fundamentally, big data is where the money is. Zuckerberg is an example. He makes his money from data, and one of the things he did before he started Facebook was that he traveled into Africa to learn about a feature which was based on sending money but via text messages. And the reason he wasn't interested in this wasn't because of the payment, but because of all the microtransactions you can see, history of what people are doing. You can understand all this data around every person, package the data, and sell it. Basically, what ends up happening to all advertisers is the packaged data about the consumers and how they have all the information to take money from the people by showing the right ads to the right people who are in need. Now, Ocean Protocol allows publishers to monetize their data while preserving privacy and control, so consumers can now access datasets that were previously unavailable or difficult to find. These datasets can be discovered on the Ocean market, where they can be purchased and later consumed or sold. I see the project doing at least 25-fold in the next bull market. Again, main reason being the phrase, big data is where the money is. Regarding the Ocean price chart on a bigger time frame, weekly, we can see the first buy zone around the actual price of 32 cents. Then another pretty close support is the one from 24 cents, and everything under that zone is an opportunity to buy. The first close resistance around the actual price is 42 cents, and if we look further, we can see the zone between 63 and 66 cents as a strong resistance that the price has to pass in order to see some great gains from Ocean. Again, if you're in mind to invest in Ocean, choose a percentage of your money to invest in the project and divide it into different support zones or buy zones, whatever you want to call them, using DCA. Now, how am I really looking at all these 6 great projects? I don't think you should buy them all. I would recommend, at least that's what I'm doing, to choose one project from all these that has already a big market cap, and then to find another one, like Atlas Navi, that has a really small market cap and with a little investment can make you a millionaire, or at least multiply your investment more than 30 times. Of course, with some risk involved. Then we have a safe AI coin that we're invested in, a big market cap, and then another AI coin with a low market cap. So when the AI hype is back, you'll make money no matter what. In my case, the big market cap coin I'll be investing in will be Render, and the low market cap one, Atlas Navi. That's how I'm thinking to move for the next bull market in terms of AI projects. By the way, you can watch my AI coin tier list here.